Life and death are always locked in an endless struggle. Hunters hunt. Beasts run for their lives. Only the powerful survive. But beyond claws and teeth, beyond speed and strength, there exists a darker world we rarely see. A world of suffering and fear. A world hidden inside bodies, oceans, forests, even our own skin. A world ruled not by muscle, but by mind control. These rulers do not need nails, sharp teeth, or spears. They can take over bodies, steal minds, and turn the living into walking dead. This is their biography. They are parasites. Chapter 1. The silent strategy, symbiosis. In nature, survival is not always about fighting. Some creatures choose alliances. This relationship is called symbiosis, where two organisms live together. It comes in three forms. Mutualism, both partners benefit. Example, birds like oxpeckers sitting on buffaloes, rhinos, and giraffes. The animals get cleaned, the birds get food. Commensalism, one benefits, the other is unaffected. Example, barnacles riding on whales. They get a free journey and free food without harming the whale. Parasitism, one benefits, the other suffers. This is where our protagonists arise. Parasites take, manipulate, and survive at any cost. They are the masters of stealing life. Chapter 2. Their empire, inside and outside. Parasites come in two kingdoms. Endoparasites, live inside bodies. Roundworms, tapeworms, hookworms. They enter through contaminated water or food. Sometimes they live inside us, without us knowing for years. Ectoparasites, live outside bodies. Lice, ticks, fleas. They suck blood, carry diseases, and weaken their hosts slowly. Some types don't just feed, they control behavior. They can force animals to climb, stand still, jump, or even commit suicide. Chapter 3. The zombie maker, Green Banded Broodsac. This parasite enters a snail's body. It travels to the snail's eyes and starts a horrific transformation. The parasite turns the snail's eyes into bright, pulsing colors, making them look like juicy caterpillars. Then it controls the snail's mind. It forces the snail to climb into open sunlight, where birds can easily see it. The bird eats the snail. The parasite grows inside the bird. Its eggs fall through bird droppings. New snails eat them again. A perfect cycle of mind control. This parasite is the zombie artist. Chapter 4. The puppet master, Ophiocordyceps. This is not an animal. It's a fungus, more terrifying than any predator. It infects an ant or larvae. First, it invades the body. Then it commandeers the brain. The victim becomes a slave, forced to climb high onto trees or leaves. There it stays still, unable to fight, waiting for death. Inside, the fungus consumes it. When ready, it bursts out of the head, spreading spores to infect more victims. This is the true zombie fungus of nature. Chapter 5. The intruder, Tongue-Eating Louse. A parasite with one mission: replace an organ. It swims into a fish's mouth, cuts off the fish's tongue, and takes its place. The fish is forced to use the parasite as its new tongue. Whatever food the fish tries to eat, the parasite steals first. Slowly, the fish starves to death. This is the only parasite in the world that becomes a living organ replacement. Chapter 6. Parasites that hunt parasites, hyperparasites. They are assassins of the assassin world. Example, braconid wasps lay eggs inside caterpillars. The larvae hatch and eat the caterpillar from the inside. Then, a new parasite arrives, a hyperparasite. It lays eggs inside the braconid larvae. Its babies eat the first parasite alive. They control parasite populations. And in medicine, viruses like bacteriophages kill harmful bacteria in humans. Parasites can cure, just as they can destroy. Chapter 7. The child thieves, brood parasites. Some parasites steal not food, not blood, they steal parenting. Birds like cuckoos lay their eggs in other birds' nests. The host bird raises the parasite's chick as its own. The cuckoo chick grows faster, stronger, louder, sometimes pushing other babies out of the nest, killing them. It becomes the only child, fed and protected by a mother that never knew it. Chapter 8. Society Destroyers, Social Parasites. These parasites target entire colonies. Ant-eating caterpillars trick ants with sweet liquid. Ants protect them as one of their own, while the caterpillar secretly eats all the eggs in the colony. Another species, Myrmecophiles, mimics ant smell using pheromones. They live among ants, steal food, and survive safely as imposters. These are the political manipulators of nature. Chapter 9. The Thieves, Kleptoparasites. Not all parasites are tiny. Some are kings of theft. Eagles stealing prey caught by other birds. Spiders stealing insects from others' webs. Seagulls stealing fish from hunters. They don't kill. They don't hunt. They wait and steal. Even humans can be kleptoparasites in society. The invisible kings. Parasites are not weak. They are strategists, mind controllers, body thieves, biological engineers. They prove one truth. In nature, survival belongs not to the strong, but to the clever.